Hey there mga fellow designers at aspiring business owners. Today may mahalaga akong message sa inyo. Don't use print on demand in 2024. Yes, you heard me right. Despite its popularity in recent years, maaring hindi ito ang best choice para sa iyong negosyo ngayon. And here's why. So let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. The pitfalls of print on demand. While it might seem like a convenient way to start a clothing business with minimal upfront costs, the reality is often quite different. Quality control ay maaaring maging major issue. With inconsistent printing results at hindi maayos na mga materyales ng damit, leaving customers disappointed and damaging your brand's reputation. Another significant drawback of print on demand is the lack of brand control. Kapag umaasa ka sa mga third-party platform to fulfill orders, you're essentially handing over control of your brand's identity and customer experience. From packaging to shipping to customer service, ang mga platforms na ito dictate how your brand is perceived, making it difficult to differentiate yourself in the crowded marketplace. Guys, pag-usapan naman natin yung pera. While print on demand might seem like a low-risk option, the truth is ang kita is mababa lang. Lalo na kapag sinama pa yung mga bayad mo sa mga platform fees. So, what's the alternative? Instead of relying on print on demand, i-consider building a sustainable business model that prioritizes quality, authenticity, at long-term growth. In today's digital landscape, direct-to-consumer sales channels are more accessible than ever before. By selling directly to your customers through your online store or marketplace, maaari ka magbuo ng forge deeper connections, collect valuable data, and retain more of your hard-earned profits. Plus, sa pag-unlad ng e-commerce technology, managing inventory and fulfillment has never been easier. Example guys ng mga DTC ay yung mga online shopping app natin dito sa Pilipinas. Yung Shopee, Lazada, at TikTok Shop. So in conclusion, bagaman maaaring may place ang print on demand sa mga ilang sitwasyon, it's essential to weigh the risk and consider the long-term implication for your business. By prioritizing quality control and sustainability, maaari ka magtayo ng isang brand na tatagal ng panahon at magugustuhan ng mga customer sa mga susunod na taon. Remember, the future of your business is in your hands. So don't settle for shortcuts. Aim for excellence. So guys, until next time, stay focused, stay innovative, and most importantly, stay true to your vision. And guys, kung nakatulong ang video na ito para sa inyo, huwag nyo naman kakalimutan mag-subscribe, i-hit yung notification bell para palagi kang updated sa mga future videos natin. And namimigay nga pala ako ng mga free giveaway files para sa mga printing business owners. So, subscribe!